With so many universities in Australia, what makes Central Queensland University stand out? CQU has built a strong reputation for delivering quality education, exceptional student support, and career-focused learning for students from around the world. Whether it is vocational training or higher education, CQU provides diverse pathways into your dream career. Unlike many universities, CQU combines practical learning, industry engagement, and flexible study options. Personalized student support ensures you succeed both academically and professionally every step of the way. With industry-relevant programs and student-centered learning, you're prepared for the global job market. With multiple campuses across Australia, from Brisbane to Melbourne and Sydney, CQU offers a unique and rewarding study experience. Enjoy affordable living options and a vibrant, diverse community that feels like home. CQU is about gaining the skills and opportunities to build a successful future. Trust IAEC consultants to show the way. Start your global journey today.
IAEC Consultants. Private Limited. Guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.